one. Are you ready?
Yes.
And to start with, what is your name?
My name is Lisa.
Hello, Lisa. How do you spell your name, Lisa?
Lisa.
Oh, Lisa. Okay, and how old are you?
I'm 11.
11 years old. And how are you today?
I'm so happy.
Good to know. And what food do you like?
I like to study.
Spaghetti. And when is your birthday?
My birthday is on 2nd August.
2nd of August. And how's the weather like today?
So the weather like today is sunny and hot.
Yes, sunny and hot. And where do you live?
I live in Street 30.
And who do you live with?
I live with
Who do you live with? With your mom, dad, your parents,
my family.
with your family. And how many people are there in the family?
My family has 8 people.
8 people. Okay. And Lisa, can you tell me what is the best memory that you do have with your family? The best memory. Like the memory that you will never ever forget. Housework. Okay. And where is your hometown located?
My hometown located is in the city on the
In Hanoi?
Hanoi city.
Okay. So your hometown is still in Hanoi. Okay. And how long does it take to get to your hometown? Like from where you live and to your hometown? How long?
2 minutes to go to my hometown.
How long? 2 hours or 2 minutes? 2 minutes. Okay. And do you live in a small or big town?
Live in big town.
A big town. Okay. So Lisa, I've got here 4 pictures. Tell me what do you see in each picture.
I see a market.
Okay.
I see many buildings around the street. I see a park and I see a playground.
Okay. And in your opinion, what is the busiest place in your town?
I see in picture one is a market because everyone is buying and selling things.
Okay. And it can be loud, right? Most of the time. Okay. And do you have park in your town?
Yes, I have in the park is nearby.
Okay, good to know. So can you describe to me the park that you do have in your town?
And I can walk with my family every in because
Mhm.
everyone has many big green trees and have many people one talk about one thing.
And does your town have small streets or big streets?
It's big.
Big streets. And which among the pictures that we do have do you like best and why?
My best is a playground because the children can play the seesaw, play slides, and the elders can chat in the playground.
Yes. They can also do some exercise, correct? And for part 3, Lisa, I want you to talk about the technology
maybe